The spotlight hit me like a punch as I stepped onto the stage, heart thundering in my chest. Right in the middle of my song, my voice cracked so loud it echoed through the silent theater. I saw judges' eyebrows shoot up and the audience stifle giggles, embarrassment burning my cheeks. Walking off stage, I wanted to disappear, but instead I promised myself I'd come back stronger. Days turned into relentless practice, and every shaky note became fuel for my fire. When I finally returned, I sang with scars and soul, and realized real stars don't shine because they never fall, but because they rise after crashing.